Next is the engine hoisting. There was a sling here before we hoisted it. The engine turns over like this. After turning over, right, there are 4 holes in it. And then right here. When you take the screw, take it like this. These 2 screws. And then we took the hexagonal head of the M8. Hold like this. Hold it like this, and type it in. Don't tighten it when hitting. And then I went on. Same thing here. Tight. These 2 are also tightened first. Next, after our engine is installed, just bring it directly. Bring this engine. Turn the frame sideways when installing. Like this. Put it on the side. When you put it, take it over and put it on your side like this. This engine up here has 2 holes. There are 2 holes here. When we brought it over, align the hole for it. Okay, if you bring it up, we take 2 of these 8*16 screws. Wear it. Here too. These 2. 8×20 screws. Bring it up. This one here too. Next is the hexagon head screw of the M8. Hold it tight. And the following too.